everyone, Maria here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I decided to do a little bit of a challenge. I have this Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette and it has 9 shades in it. So I decided to use every shade in here to create an eye look. Probably not going to be wearable, you know. You're not going to go to the grocery store. You're not going to pick your kid up from daycare. You're not going to get ice cream. But it was just a bit of a challenge, something that will have me step outside of my box when it comes to, you know, my typical eyeshadow, because you know I love browns and golds and stuff. Like, those are my favorites and my go-tos. So I just want to do something a little bit different, you know, zhuzh it up just a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Oh, but first, just want to give a disclaimer in case y'all see this same shirt in another video. I am pre-recording my next 3 videos because I'm in the process of packing up my house to move. So I'm not really going to have a lot of time to like sit down and film videos. So I'm just going to go ahead and get these out of the way. So it's this one and then 3 more that are coming up that have been pre-recorded, and then the next video that will be recorded and then put up will be a not the next video, but I guess the 4th video. Yeah, the 4th video that'll be coming up will be an empty apartment tour. So now, without further ado, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that good old notification bell, which is right next to the subscribe button after you hit it. And we're gonna go. Let me run downstairs real quick and then I'll be right back. Zoom y'all in so that way we can go ahead and get started and I can attempt to do something. I'm proud of my face too. Oh yeah, my face is down because I've already been out and about today. So, but I am gonna put like more powder down just in case we have some fallout. Be right back. Put a little extra powder down under here. Where'd my hair clips go? Alright. Boom. Powder down. Let's get into it. So first, let me just say, when I got this, because I paid $27 for this, I was not expecting this to be as small as it is. Like, I was really underwhelmed when I got it. So, I mean, it's very nice. I did use it already. I swatched it. And so I do like it. I do like the colors. However, this was $27 and it's how big is this? I forgot. I'll put it somewhere over here. Somewhere. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. But I was very underwhelmed. Very underwhelmed. Alright. So let's just go ahead and hop into it. I really don't know what I'm about to do. They don't have names either, so I'm just gonna kind of like point them out. But so I think I'm going to start with this yellow shade right here. Yeah, I think that's a good starting point, huh? I think so. They have been primed and set with powder. I think I should have maybe done without like the setting powder so that way it showed up more, but it's alright, we'll just build it up. Yeah, so I think the next shade I'm going to do is going to be Then I'm gonna do this. Then I'm gonna do this orange shade next. I think that would be good, no? Yeah. 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 Switch brushes real quick. See this orange. Oh, that's pretty. They do blend together. They do blend very well together. So, we likey. Because they definitely blend very well together. Alright. That's pretty so far. Nice little sunset on the eyes, you feel me? Alright, so now I think I'm going to take this color right here. Yeah. No. I'm going to go with this bright pink. I'm going to take this one here. And I'm not sure if I told you, but this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 6 matte shades and then 3 shimmers. So we'll put this pink like on the outside. Just bringing it down a little bit lower, and I'm just concentrating it on the outside. So now I'm going to take this reddish shade right here and go on the like very outside. So I'm literally just putting this on the very outside of my eye. So I don't want, like I said, I don't want to get rid of any of the other colors that I put down, which the orange is kind of lost a little. So I'm going to end up going back over with the orange just a little bit. So the next shade, I think what I'm going to end up doing is keeping this one for the bottom. So I'm going to go in with this one right here. Brush that on. I think I'm doing good so far. No? What y'all think? I think so far so good. Alright, so in order to get a little curvature of this creasage, I am going to take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And this is in medium 26. And so, gonna buff out these edges right here. All right. And then finna get these shimmer shades popping. What's popping? These shimmer shades is what's popping. So first, we're gonna take this color here and and go. That's pretty. Put her right here. Oh yeah, this shimmer shade is popping. Yes, honey. And then we're gonna take this shit, not the yellow, this one right here, and put that in the inside. And making sure to kind of merge the two together. So I'm flipping my brush back over. So I'm going to take a little bit of this shade right here in the middle. And put that like on the inner. So I'm going to take this ColourPop liner called Fast Lane, and I'm just going to run this along the bottom of my lash line. So I'm just going to wipe this away and then smudge the bottom. And then we'll see what we got. I'm going to take a short shader brush. That's what I'm going to take. Tappity tap, tap, tap. Alright, well, this is the finished look. I think it turned out pretty good. Like, I think I kind of did that. What y'all think? I think it turned out boom. I think I did a good job. I stepped outside of my box. It's nice, it's cute, it's colorful, we good. So yeah, you know, that is it for this video. I already said that, but I'm gonna say it again anyway. And I will see you all in my next video.